Chapter 8 of To Kill a Mockingbird begins in the wake of Scout's first snowfall. Scout and her brother Jem are ecstatic to have the opportunity to experience snow for the first time. With the few flakes that fall in Maycomb, they put together a snowman using a combination of snow and mud. Afterward, Atticus admires their creativity but advises them to recreate the snowman so as not to copy Mr. Avery's appearance. The cheerful mood turns quite somber as Miss Maudie's house catches fire on this chilly night. The entire neighborhood comes together, forming a bucket brigade to help put out the fire. However, their efforts fail and the house burns to the ground. While observing the fire, Jem and Scout are joined by an unseen Boo Radley, who places a blanket around shivering Scout without her notice. Later, Atticus notices the blanket around Scout and goes into panic. He questions Jem and Scout, but they don't know where it came from. After some puzzling, Atticus understands that Boo Radley must have given them the blanket since he was nearby and they didn't notice. Jem narrates their adventures with the gifts in the tree to Atticus. Meanwhile, Atticus advises them to say nothing about the blanket, not wanting to embarrass shy Boo Radley, showing his respect for everyone's right to privacy. Miss Maudie's response to her house burning down is calm and even sounds happy, as she now plans to have a smaller house and a bigger garden. She speaks to Jem and Scout about being optimistic and looking at the good side of life. This chapter ends with an unexpected announcement that Bob Ewell, the father of the girl whose accusation will place Tom Robinson on trial later, is permitted to hunt out of season because he can't support his children. Overall, Chapter 8 beautifully highlights the themes of racial tension, childhood innocence, communal responsibility, and empathy. It showcases the difference in community response to Boo Radley's quiet gesture and the open calamity of the fire, exploring different dimensions of human character and society.